So now we trying to fix this, right? When you pick remap and boom, this is what you get. And it's not really cool. Let me remove this so you see clearly. The hand is clipping through the mesh and it's as if the hand is not properly positioned. And you're right. The hand is in properly position. And I have fixed this and you can too. So just follow along. But for now, let me undo this that we have here and let's fix it together. For that, go to pose mode. Then you go and turn on mirror in the x-axis. You might wanna use FK for this. I'm using FK though. So, but if you want to use IK controls for this, you can go ahead with it and stick along with the tutorial and follow along. Then choose the M control, raise it to your preferred T pose like so. You might want to try to adjust the shoulder bones too, if it applies to you. I'm adjusting mine. And then select the character. Of course, you have to leave pose mode. I'm sure you know that already. So the character here, I'm going to select the clothes first and then go to modifier tab and apply the rig in the modifier tab. Do the same for other accessories on the character that it's affected by the hand control. For me, it is the clothes, the bang-on hairways, and the body mesh. And add another modifier to the cloth and body mesh and other ones as applied. Drag the modifier to the top shelf. In objects there, you select your rig like so. Repeat this for every other mesh concern. After that, select the rig and enter pose mode again. Select all your controls and go to pose, apply as rest pose. And that's it. You're basically done. Now, let's try to retarget again and solve God. While it's retargets, I want to say, I'm starting off this channel as a new animator. So please, I'm gonna be sharing my creative process here so you can learn and apply it too in your own processes. And I would love if you support me by subscribing and sharing too. So now let's see what we got here. It's working perfectly. And I'm sure it is working perfectly for you too. And if it is, please don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.